we've had this on our policy since day one of having more trade classes in schools, of getting more people involved to show them that there is an alternative where you can get in right away. And, you know, I do think we all have seen it. It's something we talk about, all the regulations that get placed. It's something that can destroy your industry, destroy other industries that you're making products for. And like we said in there, you can't have it as just a blanket policy with everything, because it's not going to make sense for everyone.
I would love Congress to know that manufacturing is all about training the future workforce, and is a really good place where people can work to raise a family and earn a decent living. Yep. And it is a very tight-knit culture where people care about each other, and we try to support each other, not just as individuals, but their families as well.
Yeah.
Simple. And training those people, we need help with training, and it isn't through the normal traditional channels of education that is out there.
Yeah.